Okay, how can you use positive and negative numbers to represent real-world quantities? Integers are the set of all whole numbers and their opposites. Okay, numbers are opposites if they're the same distance from zero on the number line. So if you look at this number line here, we have all the positive integers are positive whole numbers. Okay, everything to the right of zero on the number line. The further you go to the right, the greater the numbers get in value. To the left of zero on the number line, you have negative whole numbers. These are your negative integers. Okay. The further you go to the left, the less value a number has. Here's a couple of real-world examples of positive and negative integers. You can look at thermometer A. It's at -5 degrees. Okay, if you thought of this as a vertical number line over here, okay, or a thermometer, -5 is down here. It's 5 degrees below zero. The opposite of that would be if it got warmer, it warmed up, and it was 5 degrees above zero. They're both 5 units from zero on the number line. Okay, thermometer B, -2. It's 2 degrees below zero on the number line. It's right here. Okay, that's -2. The opposite of -2, if it warmed up, would be +2. Okay, be 4 degrees warmer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so temperature is one spot that we use integers. Another one, if you look at this picture, we have a submarine. Okay, submarine A is 13 feet below sea level. So if sea level is right here, okay, 13 feet below sea level would be down here. Okay, it's -13 feet. 5 feet below sea level, submarine B, would be right here. If sea level is 0, it would be 5 feet below. Okay, so here's sea level. If you look up here, we have a bird, and if that bird was at 15 feet, okay, that's +15. You don't need to write the positive sign. If there's no sign, it automatically means it's a positive number. Okay, in lesson 1, you're asked to write the opposite of the integer. So let's look at example A here, +9. Here's 0 on our number line. If we go out 9 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's +9. So the opposite of +9, okay, we go back to 0, and then we go 9 units this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the opposite of +9 is -9. And this question asks for the opposite of the opposite. Okay, so if +9 is our integer, the opposite of that is -9, and the opposite of -9 is +9. So it's kind of a tricky question, but whenever you're asked for the opposite of an integer, it's always the same number. Okay, so remember, integers are the set of all whole numbers and their opposites. Okay, down here on this number line, you can see we have all the positive integers. They're whole numbers. So all the positive whole numbers to the right of 0 on the number line. Negative numbers are all the negative whole numbers, okay, and 0. So integers are all the positive whole numbers. Their opposites, which are the negative whole numbers, and 0.